Hello everyone, welcome to the Spark Air workshop. This is the workshop for KL University Spark Your Learn initiative, and this is Lakshit Pant, your mentor for today. And I'm going to wait for a couple of minutes so that people can join the. Okay, sure. So let's wait for a couple of minutes so that people can join the session, and let's. I'll start in a couple of minutes. Let's wait for a couple of more people to join the workshop. Okay, so. Okay, so I'm just waiting for a couple of people to join the workshop because this is going to be your only workshop for the hackathon, and I'll teach you how to start your the journey with the help with the help of Spark, how you can make all those creative Instagram filters, how you can just turn your imagination into reality, and a lot more couple of things with the help of Instagram and Facebook. So let's start the session. Okay. So hello guys, let's start the workshop because yeah. So let's start the workshop. This is Lakshit Pand, your Spark trainer for today, and I'm going to give you a quick overview about what Spark is all about, how you can just get start your journey with the help of the Spark, and how this Spark thing can really help you out to make making your journey flowable and working with. So this is all about, you can see on my screen. Okay. Okay, let me just quickly present my screen so that you can see all these things, and I'm just okay. Perfect. I hope my screen is visible to you all, and here is my screen. So yeah, perfect. So this is what Spark is all about, and Spark Learn is initiated by Meta and Spark Face Meta and Reskill. We are helping the creators, we are helping the students to start their journey with the help of augmented reality, with the help of in the field of augmented reality and in the field of AR filters and this all the virtual world. It's all about kickstarting your journey in the world of VR, upskilling the developers, definitely. And we have some great rewards and recognition for every filter, highly engaged community. So we have something around 600 million plus creators. And in this Learn workshop, we have conducted over 20,000 students workshop, those who are in creating all these they have learned a lot more things. So this is all about the flow is different for KL University. That's why I'm just skipping this because there is only one workshop for the KL University, and the hackathon will be followed up. And this is the introduction to Spark. Yeah, it just it's a creators group that helps that helps you to build your imagination and to give a virtual form to your imagination. And it's all about augmented reality experiences that you make, and every filter that you see on your Facebook and Instagram is a fruit of Spark, as a child of Spark. Now you can see, I'm just give you a quick overview through this video. Just let's look up this video. So you can see all these videos, that animation that I just showed you, that was all about the Spark. You can just create a lot, some amazing AR filters. So these are the experiences that Spark provides, Meta Spark provides, that are face tracking masks. So you must have seen all those face filters that where you can just modify your face, your put something, glasses on your face, or virtual tattoos on your face, or you can just make a Hulk mask or different kinds of mask on your face, lipstick and earrings, all things you can just put it virtually on your face. So these are the these are the what we can say, these are the child of face tracking experience. Now next is wall tracking. So you must have seen the second filter that is the inspiration is from GTA Vice City. So this, your mom is talking, just appearing to be talking with the GTA Vice City, character. So this is also a great example of wall tracking, where you just train a plane and you just put the objects in the real world. Now next is the target tracking. So QR codes are very normal now. So you must have seen all those UPI codes and everything. So definitely the same chronology applies here too. So you can just scan something, scan a QR code either, or maybe scan a particular target, then it will just pop out some 3D animations or something like that, or maybe whatever the creator has made, that kind of experience you can just get with the help of target tracking. Last is the body and hand tracking. So this is something around that revolves around that captures your whole body. So you must have seen all those Mintra and some different brands, Lenskart, and those different clothes. You can just put a virtual clothes on your on your own, and on your foot you can just put some virtual shoes on your feet, try it on, and before buying, and it will definitely help you out to check it out, like cross check before, like how it's definitely looking, if it's looking good or not. So this is how you can just try some virtual clothes and everything, click some photos. So these are some amazing creations. The if you scream your hair color, which is something like this, the anime character, so this is a Naruto or something, maybe. I'm not sure about this because I'm not a anime fan. So the second one is the Sally. So in lockdown, the Rohit Sharma one was very famous, like you are talking to Rohit Sharma and he's saying something, then you are also saying something. So this is how video calling with Rohit Sharma was got famous in the lockdown. Now you can see, you can also play some games in the Instagram. So these are all the games where you can just play some games and everything. So you must have seen those, like Diwali is coming up, so you must have seen all those filters, or India Pakistan match is going to is coming up soon. So you must have seen that filter where you just dodge your face or tilt your heads like this, and it just give you some experiences. So all these things are gamifying your experience with the help of the Spark here. Okay, next is emphasizing a moment. So something like putting a moment together where you can just a TEDx talk, or maybe a Republic Day, Independence Day, like India. In India, India Pakistan match is also a very very big event and a moment for all the Indians. So that is also something. So all the you can just emphasize that moment with the help of AR filters. So this is, I'll just cover this. So this is how you can just see your AR fix that you will publish. You can just see the new, this one, the new toggle will be up, you can will appear in your Instagram. You can check out your latest filters and you can just edit this thing through your Instagram too. Next is the stories. You can just put it on your stories and people can see you. Next is reels. People can use your AR effects on Instagram reels. People can also use your Instagram filters using your QR codes of it. So every filter gets a different QR code and you can just check it out using this QR code. Next is effect gallery. You can just, people while scrolling can choose your AR filters. They can just browse your effect and do a lot more things with your filters. Okay, next is about kickstarting your career, like how this Spark your workshop, or maybe how this Spark your tool or Meta Spark tool will really, excuse me, sorry, we will help you out to make you a good career. So definitely you can just monetize the platform by building immersive AR experiences for the brands and creators. So, and working from for brands is really easy in terms of this Spark, yeah, because here you get a good reach. You don't have to reach out the recruiters. The recruiter will reach out to you. This is how the things works in this Spark AR field. Next is be, you can be a AR educator as I am, or you can be a AR UX researcher or something, AI developer, something like this. That will really help you out to build a really good career and make a good amount of money. Next is leveraging your AR career by identifying and solving. So, AR and VR industry is really booming up. Metaverse is is on, we are on the way to the metaverse, and you will. So how AR can help you in the education and in different healthcare industries, because you can just make a prototype in the AR industry and showcase. So that will really help the students in in a storytelling where you can just explain all the terms and technologies, all the terminologies. That will really help the leveraging in the career. And next is AR VR as a career in the learning field. So these are some amazing creators we have from India, like Pranjal, with Gayatri Sri and Varun Riker, and all these Naveen and all these creators are doing really great. So yeah, today I'm going to take this workshop for you. I'm Lakshit Pant. I've been making all these AR experts, AR. I'm sorry, I'm making all these AR filters since 1.5 or 2 years, and I have started my journey with the Reskill Campus Ambassador program. So this is how I got started, and now I'll just show you some couple of things over here. Okay, yeah, perfect. Now just let's wait for some couple of doubts or queries. If anyone have any, so please let me know. Yeah. So now talking about the Spark. So let's so like how, what kind of money. So I just talked about future HANA, and a bit about somewhere around money also, like how you can get how much money you can make with the help of the Spark. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you of this. Like just give me a second. I'm just logging into my account. Okay, perfect. So, yeah, now it's visible. I hope my screen is visible to you all. I was talking about some Facebook groups. So here is the, just wait a second. So here is the group link that I just posted in the group. So this is a Metaspark global community where you can just put your queries, put your creations and everything, and you can just. So this is a virtual AR experience that you can see over your screen. So I hope this experience is really nice. This is a hotel or something like this. So maybe this appears to be a hotel to me. So you can just make some experience like this, and it's looking really really great. So you can make something like this that will help your make a good brand advertisement, or you can make a face filter like this. And yeah, so this is, you can just make a face filter like this. And yeah, there are some amazing AR creators who can help you, really help you out to make your first AR creations. Now talking about the ground reality of this park here. So I hope my, yeah, perfect. So Reskill has been doing the AR activities a lot, and if I'll just show you some of the recent activities that Reskill has done. So this is the Diwali hackathon that just had undergone with the Diwali challenges, and I guess Ayush or maybe these people have won this hackathon. So there was some really great challenges like correct Diwali effects, something like digital fireworks, family photograph, where you just make a game of the correcting Diwali effects. Your score will increase. So that was a gamifying experience with the help of the Diwali hackathon. A digital fireworks, your background is just popping out and all these things, and a family photograph. So you can just click some family pictures and something like this. And now, next thing, so these were the juries and mentors for that hackathon. Now, if we will see, these were the benefits and the rewards for the Spark Your Hackathon for the Diwali hackathon. So these were the perks for the Diwali hackathon. So maybe if this hackathon could have conducted earlier, if I have told you guys what about this hackathon earlier, then you could also be the part of, you could have been the part of this hackathon too. So this is all about the Spark and making the Spark here to your a table. Now if I'll just show you some one more, the brand hackathon challenge that Reskill has done with the help of the. So this is the brand hackathon challenge that Reskill has done with the Ease My Trip, Kalankit, M Caffeine, Rage Coffee, and Vega. These were the five major brands that Reskill has worked with in the cohort of collaboration with Meta. Now, if we'll see this, the prices were again something like MacBook Air, iPad Air, and iPhone SE. So these were the prices again. So this is the amount. So these are the rewards and recognitions of this park, and you can just make some really great things with the help of this park here. Now, if I'll just show you how to get started with the Sparkia tool, so you can just simply search for the Sparkia studio.facebook.com. Okay, so I'll just show you Spark. You can just Spark AR download. You can just search for the Sparkia download. It will give you this link, sparkia.facebook.com, and you can just click on this link, download the Sparkia Studio. You can just click on this link and download the Sparkia Studio. Click on the download button, and Sparkia Metaspark will download for you. Now, you must be wondering like what kind of brand building can just generate with the help of the Sparkia. If you will see, there are some, if you will see the numbers that I have worked with since last 28 days. So I have been taking all these workshops and everything. If you see, these are the numbers, these are the number of expressions, and these are the number of opens that I got with the help of the Sparkia. And if you can see, for me it's 2020, so for me it's 222K, but for some, we have an incredible community of Spark here, incredible culture of Spark, Metaspark in India, and there are some creators who are having this numbers in billions, not in millions, it's in billions for them. So yeah, you can just work with it, you can just make some really great AR filters. You can just play with it and make some, try it on your own and make some amazing filters. So this is all about the brand building stuff that I told you about. Now talking about the real core things about the, let's enough talking. Okay, let's just make something hands-on. Let's work some hands-on thing with the help of the Metaspark. So you can just simply open the Metaspark after installing. You can just simply open the Metaspark, and now it's just way, I'm just waiting it to open completely. Yeah. So basically, I have updated it to beta version, so that's why it's so it depends on system to system how much time it will take. So yeah, I can see this thing. So this is what a Spark workspace looks like, and there are a bunch of things over here, and you must not be get confused through this because yeah, there are a lot more things to explain over here. If you will see over here, there is something called blank project. So you must be wondering what is this blank project. So this is something when you want to start something on your own, when you want to make a blank project, when you want to something uh, start from very scratch, you can just go with the blank project. So next is sharing experiences. So Facebook and Instagram, you can just make, so Metaspark suppose Facebook and Instagram in AR filters. You can just go, you can just make some AR filters for Facebook and Instagram, and people who are using all over the globe your AR filters can drop off to these AR experiences in the Facebook and Instagram social apps. The last one is video calling effect. So video calling effect is something like people can use your AR filters in a real-time video calling manner. Someone is video calling to your friends, so Facebook or Instagram do supports video calling feature, so they can use your AR effect during video calling too. Now, if we will see creating a template, what is the meaning of template? So template is something, the resources that has been provided to you so that your process could be smoother. You can see some templates over here. There are some bunch of templates over here. You can just go with any of these templates. You can just work along with it. So these are the templates that will help you out to, if you are getting some idea, you are not sure how to make it, you can just go with any of these templates and just modify your textures and everything, and you can just make a really great animations also. Now if we'll see, if I just want to make a color portrait of myself or make a body movement filter. So if I want to make a body movement filter that will just detect my body, so I can just make that too. So if we'll see, I have just clicked on the body movement filter, it is just opening for me. Let's wait it to open. Now if anyone has, then you can just make a 3D animated card or something like this. You can just make a bunch of things with the help of the Spark, yeah, and the Meta Spark precisely. Now there are some couple of more things, that is learn and recent projects. So if you want to learn some things from very scratch, you can just learn all those things. See, you can just check out all those tutorials from very scratch, and that will really help you out to make all these things. Okay, now the last thing is recent project, that will show up like what recent projects that you have made and when. You can just go with any of these characters, any of these templates, and you can just make something of your own too. I just wanted to show you something that can that can help you to understand what are the AR creations looks like. Okay, yeah, it has been open for me. So this is what we call a real-time simulator that you can see over here, and yeah, I hope you can see this real-time. So I wanted to show you this something like maybe you can just color your whole room with different textures. You can give even multiple texture. I'm not talking about a single one. You can give multiple texture to your room or something like this. You can see something like that I am doing right now. Okay, yeah, like this, like you can give multiple colors to your face, you can give multiple colors to your room, or you can make a color portrait of yourself. You can use any of these templates that are available over here. Now if we talking about today's workshop, we are going with the sharing effect thing toggle, because I want to make a filter for Facebook and Instagram. So I'll just go with this one, and you can see this is what a blank workspace looks like. And now here we are going to make our AR filters, and here I'll teach you how to make a AR filter. Before starting, I'll just give you a quick overview like what are these things. So this is what we call a real-time simulator. I'm using my camera, that's why you can see me here. And if you want to switch your camera, if you want to some different simulations, so it's just something why these viewers wondering like why these simulations are here, why I have imported all things right over here, and this hand filter and all these things. So these are here because if you want something like, so if you want to make a filter for some different persona, how are you going to test it? Suppose if a person, like if I'm a man, I want to make a filter, it definitely won't look good, or I can just can't imagine how it's gonna appear in a woman's face, so how I'm gonna put it on. So that's why these makeup these female simulations are also here, by which you can just try it on different faces. A person wearing a turban, how it will look on his face, and a different things. You can just check it out on this real-time simulation, and definitely you can just switch it on your camera as well, like this. Now, so there are some couple of things more, something like maybe, okay, and if you can see in the left hand side of your screen, this is what we call a scene panel. In the bottom left of your screen, this is what we call a assets panel. In the right hand side of your screen, this is what we call a properties panel. Okay, so maybe I'm a little bit confused. You guys are asking me room number. So aren't you guys settled? I'm not sure about this. Let me just check with the, just give me a second, guys. I'm just give me a second, please. I'm just opening the same air filter that I was making. So I wasn't able to put that, fast color alert in the. So this is where we're cooking KL University 1. So I'll just try to open it and yeah. Now let's see again. Maybe it will help me out now. Maybe I can just put it here. Yeah, now I can just do this. Okay, perfect. Now I also need a camera texture for this. So I can just go with the camera texture. I can just put this inside here. Okay, perfect. This is awesome, guys. So now what you can do, you can just from the camera texture, you can just check text the color, and in the LUT, you can just connect this LUT to fast color LUT. And also you need a rectangle for this. So how can this? I'll just click on the rectangle, and I'll just make it LUT effect. I'll just give it a name LUT effect. Now if you'll see there is a rectangle over right here, but the size is very small. Now you can just change the size and width of this rectangle from height and width. Now you will see that. So it is just messing with me a little bit because this is what it is happening. So how I can just deal with this? For this thing, what I will do is I'll just go to my material and I will go to advanced or render option, and I'll close this thing right to depth, because this really messes a lot when you make the ER things. Now what I will do is, if you can see, it has covered my entire screen. Now I'll just go to this thing. Okay, I'll go to my LUT effect, AR effect. I'll give it a different material. So I'll just rename it to LUT matte. I'll just rename it to LUT matte, and I'll just in the texture option, I'll bring it here. I'll just connect this with right this. Perfect. Now you will see the color has been changed. My face has been in my face there is one different kind of, what you can say this, maybe a different kind of texture, you can say this, yeah. And if I'll just try it on different things, you can see something like this. And you can always do this on like if you want this thing only on your face, you can just, what you can do, instead of bringing a canvas, you can just only use face mesh. Okay, like this, and put it inside the face tracker, and let me just put it. Yeah, so before putting the face mask, I just want to tell you very important thing that you can see over here. Right now I have also, I do have. So if I'll just delete this face mask as of now, right now you can see this canvas is here, this rectangle is here, but the hearts are not showing up. Why? Because what I have done is I have put it this layer in first, then I have this layer, the ER filter layer. So this layering thing that you have to take care a lot. So yeah, now, so this is how you can just simply put. So you have to understand the chronological order thing also. Now if I just search for the face mesh, and I'll just delete this one, and instead of applying it to the, maybe it to the whole. Perfect. Now what I will do is, just give me a second. I'm just adjusting some layers so that you can simply see these things. Just put it right here, and I'll click on this mesh and just click on this and delete this. So this is how. And if you want this LUT, this hearts also, you can just do it like this. Like now, as soon as when you will start smiling, you can just it will just change your filter like this. So this is how you can just give different, add some beauty also, to use different alerts. You can use different things for yourself, where you can just find all these assets on the internet. And I have used all these assets from Google, so you can just Google all these things, find all these AR creations, and you can just make whatever you want. So this is all about a basic AR filter that you want, that I just told you to create today. And yeah, this is all about today's workshop. And I hope you now, talking about the publishing AR effect, so you can see this. Then simply click on the publish button, and you can just now have to record a demo video of yourself, because I'm using two cameras for my laptop, so this record thing won't work. But you have to record a video like this. This is static for me because I'm using two cameras for my laptop, and this is there is a bug in this, so that's why it's just not helping me out. I'm using one for streaming and one from of my laptop, so that's why it is just helping me. So just have to click on publish button, click on record video, record a video of yourself, and just publish it right here. And you just click on save and click on upload. So now it's uploading for me. You can see this is what it had started uploading. Now we need to wait until it gets completely uploaded. Now as soon as it gets filled up to 100%, you will see something like this. A new Spark AR hub will open in front of you, where you have to give a unique name to your filter. Where okay, yes, this is what is happening. Okay, just wait for a second. Okay, maybe I have been logged in through someone else's account. Okay, so I have to have log it out and log in again, because I've been using someone else's account for this Spark AR thing. So let's perfect. I have to republish it again. So I'll just click on the publish button. I'll just click on record video. I'll record a video of myself, pause it, let it prepare, and then I'll just simply click on the save button. Now, in case anyone has any doubt or query, I'll just click on the save button, then I'll click on the upload button. So you can see it had started uploading. Now let's wait it for to complete 100%. There's something like this. You will see in front of your screen something like this. So it's just uploading for me. Okay. So now here you have to fill unique name of your AR filter, or maybe something like. So I'll just give it a name like glossy. Maybe you can just give a different name. I have named it glossy or like this. Or yeah, next is maybe I just want it to post on both Instagram and Facebook, so I'll just keep both Instagram and Facebook right here. Next is public. I'll just keep it public only. Nakshat Pant, my Facebook ID, my Instagram ID. Now to choose some categories for this AR filter. So what I will do, I'll choose some categories. I'll just go to the selfies option and appearance option and love option, because this is how what is doing. Now you can just choose the thumbnail of this. So this is what it is going to appear. So you can just change this thumbnail icon also from your laptop. So I can just change it to something like, so I'm just looking for something cool, maybe. So you can just search for make makeup. So I'm going to use which one? So I'm looking for some exact kind of filter that I just put it on. So let's use this one. This image I'm going to use. So I'll just right click on it. I'll just save it to JPG. I'll just save it. I'll can just simply click on the confirm. Then I can simply publish the AR. If I click on the publish, okay. This image. Now you can see it had started publishing my AR effect, and your AR effect will be published. It will get reviewed by Facebook, and under maybe sometimes it's around 1 hour it gets reviewed by Facebook, and your AR effect will get accepted by Facebook. But sometimes it also take 2 or 3 days, while maybe it could be a holiday or Sunday or Saturday, something like this. It takes a bit more time. Now if you will see, my AR filter is being submitted over here, and this is how simply you can just make AR effect and publish your AR effect like this. Now if you want to further clear university thing for your successful submission, for making a counting your submission, you need to fill the form. And how to get your effect ID and owner ID, I'm just going to give you a quick overview about this, like how you can just so just wait for a second. I'm just going to give you a link, the submission form link maybe. So this is the dashboard link, guys. This is the submission form link that you have to use for the AR filter, for your submissions of AR filters. And this is the feedback form that I'm going to share. So we are conducting all these workshops for you also. How you learned, what you learned, please share your feedback, because this will only help us out to make the best out of to make the best curriculum for you all. So if you will see now, if you will, I just wanted to show you one last thing for this workshop. You will see over here. This is what the reskill. Okay. So this is your hackathon page, guys, and yeah, you can just submit your AR filter. You can see these are the rewards and benefits for you all. If you will see how to submit your AR filter, first of all, you have to register for this AR. Register here. You must register for this AR filter, and you can just put something like this. Put something like this. Now, how to fill your Facebook profile URL? You can just go to facebook.com, and you can just go right here in the top right hand side of your screen. You can just see your account, and you can just click on your name from here. You can just click on your name and copy this URL from the URL bar and paste it right here. So this is your Facebook profile URL. This is how you can just simply get your Facebook profile URL and everything. Now, how to submit your idea? You just have to choose one problem statement, like what a problem statement you have chosen, either a face filter or a superhero challenge. Or so I have chosen the face filter thing. Now Facebook profile URL, I just copied this thing, effect URL. How to get the effect URL? So you need to go to your Metasparker hub, and you have to click on the share option and click on this link. Copy this, click on this link, paste it in the effect URL like this. Now in the effect ID, you need to go to this three dots, copy the effect ID and paste it like this. Now the effect owner ID, you just need to go to the right click on this, copy owner ID and paste it like this. And demo video URL, like the demo video. So how you can just get your demo video after this, you can just simply go to the details, and you will see your demo video right here. You can just click on these three dots, download this demo video, upload it in Google Drive and paste the link here and submit the idea, and you have successfully submitted your idea. So this is all about the workshop for today, guys. Now if anyone has any doubt, please let me know, otherwise we can just wrap up this workshop. So thank you for this workshop, guys, and I really felt really great to have you here, and happy hacking and make some amazing AR effects, and let's see who wins all these prizes and everything for this Diwali, who are going to make them this Diwali hackathon a happy Diwali for themselves with the help of the augmented reality thing. So thank you guys, thank you for having me here. I really enjoyed this workshop. Thank you guys. So thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.